Everyone for a mama mwakwa ba ye de fe twato no to aso amamo na ansa na no ma mentin komo kitinkiti nyina mfi ho omanfo ana no memenda mobeja me papa Mr. Nuama Wotema Community 5 ema odi Auntie Mary Nuama na wotweda no ene ebusuafo a mufrija pekrom ba ye a mobeka ya ye wo nkrahase ho ema ya ne atamo edi wo maame na wotweda no amanfo ye da mase pa da no duru ho a yebebo mamane na said ye memenda no mobeka ho Wotema Community 5 my di na wotweda no bibia ye kama mikonya adamfo no ye baba o say a friend next time ana next time haircut me say bra we yitiri o say sister me yitiri na me yitiri dia be there nanti just wo yinwi na ne ho ani kapa me da se pa Community 4 na no me da de me nanti you Community 4 so na sister Felicia mama di mama okata ne mame echikra na monso amufri senya breku tema area ni mo ene African Faith Tabernacle sorry ni asafo ni nyina ene adofo ni abusuafo a mobeka mama di mama sister Felicia sister Abi ene nkwala na Amanda ne Portia mo ho ema mo kata mo mame ni omo na na echi no monso yeda mo ase nyame enhia mo sie ni keja eni aseda efa yedru sue na ya meda maboafo no ase no pe wa feel me kaftan na woni tua se sie yi de Ghana ha de abrantie na wodwidwi kaftan ma ne ye fe na ye de ne he oho ne kra de wasan kra ma me babe abo me ha aha otwa me rose flower me shata na nam say Dave atare we de live wom me friend no kra sana me ba TV ni so last week me say Dave atare ne de me do atare no efa nkasa me hu chinem me ni so chi ho fabric ne ye kama texture ne su ena watwa so ama na dam ho or ye creative into your pomade a ehye wane ehome usi abontia um se why kiko osima ye gingam ye creative line or pomade a eda ho na ehome they wire de wate pacho koni website na wa obi hu wani so ade www.mycreativeline.com Instagram so ho koshe styles ahodo a odi aguode me pe creative line ho ne say a quick fix we last week o mo de buy say me share Friday na say tare we me di gu onam dia me combination bi me chichi mitini sa na say me share Wednesday enti mo mra me foforo na me share Friday me can Thursday anopa Thursday wia no ma bra me foforo no na me share na no so color wo so fefefe no enti wo mo ye quick fix wo pe watade no ntem dia ko ba bi se hye me wo pe bia creative line or the bebro fast cry ya me che na chi akwan se de be ya ye pai be hunti ne chechire boa wo kwa be hu na chi akwan ba bi wo wa na ehia se obeko de se wo ya ne se frɛ no keke ana WhatsApp no creative line be je so the customer service so de ejina so one in town creative line no or Swan Lake Junction ye North Kanishi Swan Lake Junction no ni Obilex restaurant no edi animhwe friend one WhatsApp no 0244 695057 and 0264414945 creative line by wose magbo be hia no na sie ni na combination no achisa we de brasa mini we mpacho mema meje copyright bia enti back bro enso na ma me mpaboa enura ma me bi wo see wo shoes no kra wo de better TV this le kubira be say anyame o magro adaroma o shede yi mpaboa no de aba de ekọ de lai wom na metimi de akeka si mpaboa nani na ba bia ewu magro collection otom mpaboa papa de efe de ye class de gina so enkwala de mpani de esukufo de nyina awom ko pick farm wo trabe di Pele Plaza no a ko wonim kakra bia onsa benkum so obunsa bronsan kese store dan ne to aso me hinsa wasan kra painting foforo blue black bisa no odi enu an se obekọ akoto sofo ene sister uni so ho mbehwe kama fra 0244 211 491 na je o magbu empabua papa bi ene hu se ya nam de more na echo me more no me dan ni se na adane me chia ni se na e kala foforo me am feel enu akala sam keka si ani eso woni me nam se mo fa chrome mfa so amu de chrome ne fa so enti me pe na eja I say gladiator bisa no studio fix pay and obey amount ono no ye more net wa come on see my nails Jennifer nya bi obey Jennifer de or ye pos ya no ai na ima for from media benio studio fix I found the any say because media net so me intimidate no me Jennifer de me kafu studio fix amano on it the line na say omunko studio fix also ko studio fix na ko ba beka say ya o ka ya mpa her nails ho niama de ucha studio fix ja wanko baby fufu hey studio fix je chese kwan obefa so obeto ombo ase no waye more no na colors na wo de be keka si ani no enura no ye ma me base coat blue ene e di move to so ene e di chrome fa so ene say wa me say yes I have done my nails today. Intimate Comfort Studio Fix amount. Or your eyebrow waxing or fix a eyelash. Eyelash no crowd die no. Ne just say no nails in the befa. Ne na fa or your massaging. So be a fa for all your beauty fixes no. Pacho Studio Fix and number obeyama. All Jolo E Plaza 2. Abronsai na best pension trust no. Emwa and a studio fix and war for one more 020 2966 553 and a 024 3846 719. Pacho min kancho na san ko dwaso na hu fun time a drink e kan special abusuan ho enti ko dwaso a ya pebi nanom e de papa fun time special ka ho nti won se atwo special fun time eni gibre na aba no me anyi ani wate na ya we are in charge of our own happiness enti hwehwe special drinks ahodo no grapes strawberry apple ginger cola ena ene yede fun time so assign aba energy so ewo ho ni nyina eye special microphone na mo best point no mo ho ana sesia yi die savings and loans so etseso no unko bisa aidan customer service so kiko eye best point or ye kwanchan du senior osi abrefo enti bibia ni a ko best point savings and loans your dream is our business. So Diano, Nayan na Emremu Embaum. Ye babe di Ghana Hong Kong Ghana Koma ye be di World Food Day. Ye di dane saying, ye see em pedia near ye healthy ni. Se bi o hono mua, en ye pe healthy. E so unaya na ado unsesani. Ne so unsa. Uye day sunny. Enti ye bisenu ya nene chira kwany. Die wade kura de mono. Ebi owa ye kura no. Na fe ya pedie ye healthy nso na ye di. Ene ACI for se. Ghana Kotuka International Airport enu na eye number 1 ewo West Africa. Africa nyina so eye number 4. Oh enye ye mo yense maye ho. Anaso yenye hwe wadwe ye o saying IGP se posifo a wonum ko patrol wo mo gina barriers ahodo mo ye snap checks ni ade no ebinum timi time a kwan ni so bibia nsi ye ba wotimi sa ha traffic be chi wa say no makugina ho na o ma chi wa hye kona mu wo ye ni ebi so ko hye kovum afi no mo hye wa twi wuti a no wagina kwan no aye ni sase Infini mo say traffic ni mu krofo so pe traffic ready tware pa mo so mo yesa na mo chima mo say u tira ya no wa unity o say enye mi ni o se sa de ni nyina won ka se wo mu nyai but se ya na e be puti o mu in check because o mo say kwa mo fa so a wonum de je krofo sika enti obi aso okokwan so bia posifo no e wo se senior officer ba ko ka ho senior officer no so me ma won ko choke ba bi nkroso ne na nko working loto enko ye ne personal side business na fe ye wia na wa frɛ wo munya asɛ mo mekan mame enye sa ho so ne wo de na isi akra wa catch your man for say eya mo video no mo video na mo twa pictures na ma mo fa nto social media mo de mo forward ma post for no na emwa won fa nya nhwehwemu wonya wo bia wo de ne beye kwansodwan scapegoat echina obehu obesua de afimu na afi bank de trend yo ura to esien mame papa fio kote papa fio ene ura Fitzgerald Donko yesi sa Bank of Ghana sio Capital Bank igu enti yema musika nso mase oje ya na osi wotwe brem nyawa ene wode kɔ ye adwuma foforo kra infa Capital Bank ho wode bisu kra ko biebie bank no foforo bi te se Sovereign Bank no ne kɔ adu a aban lawyer pani ede call court na so nyina mu no court shema otwa sika 675 million yes 675 million Ghana cedis to onti so ema enunti wode ama wonum bedi na Nigeria ne Ghana Nigeria for na sheda alataya for da bia aiso mani ate omo se boda no mumiemu na miemu ochina this 2020 Ghana for no so yesimu duebo onso mo kokra mo nema free China ba ye gya ye ho ase ye de ye ntwi ngumu nti mudi bi ko no so ma mo mfamma ebi so se ente sa na anu no de de ye wo mo no eno mo sese ne twen na abehu no mu nsem pii enti mu nsem ni bi na aba no sa na tie ana enye sa na tie we ene ensem anu pen ye ba be di hon komo Eraba Jennifer Quinn yefo wa Deputy National Communications Director Emma MPP Amanyukuo no Pink Lady Akwaba
ye ni oba
boko die
ya me ado wata ye fe pa
me da se na hima
na o kan news asem na otwumi rem na otwumi
na manfa wa mama hwanam de ne bebem the last say ono enemy die free no because me pese metete no se unim say ye me ensan nyina ye agreement bi
agreement
mu na yese me do bem one is a metron
Matias
inti case cruise efi boko
nyame ado boko pa
abaya no ho ye
nyame ado no ho ye
ye de nyame ase
se yefo ade na se wabo mama kai me na no
se ya na mpese wo fe ne kakra no se ukita din mu eduru owo ho na ya okosra no wa ya ade
me na pe na decide ni frame
of rose say
yefo
Ruth Della Sedo, a Deputy National Youth Organizer, and a deputy for na aba duty no. Omo ye man so say World Food Day ben wenwiane. It's National Youth Organizer Emma NDC. Ruth ni akwaba.
Medasi.
Na edwuma ye nya nsha ase kra wa bre dada. Deputy National Youth Organizer.
Wa fe na mesmerizing me naija.
Hey, bro, for the aba. Edu sister na aba no twa bro for me ya to.
Isu kosi we na se de jai.
Ama for the so mu sia no mu se omu tutu a.
Mo wa de pa.
Dey serious. Me da se oba pa se o so ho ye de. Efie ni adwuma mu boko. Na women's fellowship ni ye yesre mu mesre mu nko ne boko ma me. Na make ye fo wa na
aka che Jennifer Quinn
wo so yesi wa se jai
ni pa tu ya wo mi midin na e beta enya asem bi di aka e beta
ye fa asem krosie de enko e dey World Food Day yesi ye nhwe se e bedi aduane a ahodin wom na ye nya nchichis wo pa nchichis so
wa ni nyina healthy wo so me mama senior midwife.
Okay.
I've told you before.
Me fie
me noa aduane keke.
Sao. Ti aduane na ya na odi gugu places no.
Me di gugu places na.
Ya mi hudo.
I nkrofo ma me ye mom no be fakodi no.
Sa
aside politics no.
Okay.
Cooking is my hobby anyway. Omo ni menim.
I can tell.
And I will say we are too busy particularly doing politics. It's weekend there if I found myself in Accra there, my family have a good taste.
As I said this year. Offenso, Mr. Country why?
Aye, but say busy aye nyina. E drew weekend da. Na me won kan ko na adwuma mfa me ntu kwan dia. Me ma me family anika, me mo je. Me ni fie weekend na e se fie aye din.
Na aduane ne ya ye wo bi wo ye wo enough. Say on mine no. Say the be afemu ni nyina ye benya aduane. Say the wo ma ofiefu ani akan na obi nso fiefu ani akan. Enkoba se wo fiefu ani aka na obi so fiefu komdi wo
no correct they didn't come amemfa enchi akese ma his excellency na danko akufuado na bedi echi Dr. Mahmoud Baumia government appointees ne party executives nyina charity to panko ma director of communications ye nua Richard Asante Eboa say ne ho aka kakra ne papa afri
oh Richard
nkrom ni tie kodi weekend no obrekum Sunday no ena ye de babedru ye ntie ye ne next year na me adu edru ho a ye bebo adofo nka ye na your communicators in our mobile giant or Mompeas. Obaya, who be some say word food there. Not Mammy Mo about so.
Oh, Miss my you. I did see some catch up on much more fan chamber.
Gold plated at the Chagu. I'm a high for my idea. You deserve it. Who say, young static right? And yeah, more. She said, you know, sorry, I do papa by you. She say Ruth and can be binty also, baby, but also wa. And see almost Adekye Nsroma your TV program of the year. And see. Yes, say you deserve it. You deserve it. That's not mean that other stations, no, they are not doing well, but you deserve it. I've been on this platform for almost 4 to 5 years now. Wow. And see, Makovenim, Kakaka, yes. And see, why are they about so? Only I come and say, your Geo Kennedy. Or the Bayer Musa 1 year, and I'm squabbing with the Nina. Was it despite group, the Munya, Bayer Musa 1 year to an Okasaka Krabi or Bosso. It's Yadamos Master, some Maya Quina Maya, but couldn't never say about my Ampa. Because my opportunity, I don't see me, my name, a church in Simma, Ghana 4 and Tiasi. Yeah, nay, word food, right, good. And they did where they say national issue and they say any politics, but there was the credit man on near the man. And then the ever come once in Timina. Okay. It's year Caribbean, some said your casse, and in your enemy, Google baby. No, I don't form a few baby. I can't say, Bina, Ama, my Kakra down, Kakra say, oh, fear better than not Obi or Hua, Nasabionus, when you've been in Tina, they be a die bonfire, Sarah, they say, on 20 penny answer, at least, if not for anything, you'll be the corner, not never be over that dear, rather corner. Ye kani nyina na ya sadaka so be ma His Excellency Nana Danko Akufo-Addo. Okay. For the planting for food and jobs ye de ba ya Minister Aboa Agric Minister Aboa ma fane say eye adwuma. Okay. Enu ntina ekoba say so ka say ko bie we bi wo adwura say ye see warehouse kese nwane ne ba na ya holi bi ne go. Gon say me nu mienu nim say
renovate and afa ni yesi.
But ebi wo hoda but ye expand na I kese so that betimi keep nwane ni bi amanache. Because me nim say for a very long time adwura de beans enyama ho ye din pa beans bro and I'm say granite and katie and when you de adwura we di years okwa obenya bi. But as to how to keep the food and then the quality and then the healthy wise no and until now we are trying to create bibia betimi keep aduane no so that aduane kra ho ye de yes rather say aduane ho ekomo ma Ghana de say the M73 na bi ba no ho ane 83 yemu bi so ye ko
na ya OBD
ana da bi ye kwa no nya no kra ye OBD nya OBD okay entino na ye bedase but the ye can say enuana no on say Nigeria a block your border say o ma close say o ma aduane bia emewura kro no it means that though say ye can ho say ye criticize ye can say o mumie because say ECOWAS anamwa obi atimi di bibi ye kro ma ye ko circular enuanu malata for na se be o maje ho aboso
ye na epani eje
ya kan but dru ne kan ebebaka so o ma tum nyina kire say they have enough so omu ne aduane na komo ho a kom be bie mama na ba eti why can't we as Ghanaians also do it and unti na aban bi aba o say meboa na ye kepi aduane ya boa sa planting for food and jobs enuane ya ye kan nyina etemamuni ene ye de be ye adwuma no na aduane na ba on cocoa prices shoot to ekosro ye de seedlings e ba ni nyina ye cocoa ya na de ye chocolate ye de ye milo ye de ye choco milo ye de ye whatever cocoa powder o se den e ma ni nyina aboa ma Ghana ye de ekoso eti ye ka se ye kan ni nyina na ye kan kwakosi se ye hwe ye didi ensu yi ene obaya kan na nka odidi a me ma me se na o ma me nche na utie o se na ohwe se de me ye aduane ne ade na ofise bia on soche ne ade but o kitchen na me ye aduane nobody cooks for me. I do my cooking myself enti me beti at me ni 3 am na me no aduane 1 am I find cooking as hobby. I am a hobby enti me ma me hwe aduane am no say aduane a wonu nyina na ma wo nyina wo de gum leaves ne nyama wo de begugum ene ade no bibi a wudi akomu a immune system no should be should be something a cold system ni mu a enko fa yare anya dey emrew eti ye keeping nwana no na ye hwe say ne healthy wise no ye de be koye mu ama nipadua na tena se eno nti ye dey bompa ye sere de o ma ye nkwa ahodi wo ma na mboa nkwa no ho na ahodi ni mu a untimi nya bibia untimi nkoma enti ye be koso ababan na ba so ba bia wa ye dru no beto aso no wa ye no watrem na akọ kese so that ahohia bi ba da ache a anada nkwa ma ye tene yensa yenso ye benya bibi se Ghana this is what we kept for ourselves na yakofa aba ne yenso ye ba bidi that's kakra meet me akanfa word food day no
mo Sister Ruth me no for share aduane no zero hunger healthy diet nanso yanka sanso ye ne ye council our actions and our future
yo me da se bebre se me den chia kese ebema ye TF4 ene yahwefo a ene omonya ye ho do UTV ho do ese o madaje ahwen
yeah
na wankasa so mechia o se de mekan no ahonfa de nyame de ache okwa se de bia meba bia me hu ahun say yes onyame ne onyam wo so na ma san congratulate mu e wadwuma pa mo ye den mu guso apart from media ejuma mo ye no mo ye a lot of philanthropic ejuma mo de boa enkrofo ma enkrofo den abrabo akomo anim eno nti no ye be koso asre nyame hira e de ama UTV4 ene mo mpenimfo nyina so World Food Day, yes. Say, Yabeka ne say baby and pempenso a ye druidie. Say Yankopon ya dom ama globally and I say area say afane nyina no. Stability of aduane die. Say eye. And to say enkan no because of technology any ho nkeka ho a aba ye de improve ye seedlings any ho nkeka ho no. Etumi eboan say bebre na nka no nanka ye twen say bia season ensuo season dro ansana ya ye farming ene on but enemrim no yetumi epe kwan a ye fa so a ye irrigation kra eboan ye ema say maybe wo ho na say ensuo entokra na yetumi nya aduane eden edi na anopa no na mehwe wansana me free ena me hu silos bi a yesi wo man mu na me call Google na me call Google silos na me hu de me hu ya ye friend silos no enka we bia me buba ma producer Google na o de atoso na ye hwe de classroom blocks a say yesi wo man mu a ye friend say silos a oh me na wa wo hwa we kra no na ne papa mu no wo de wo yiyi no on say we de wo yiyi no we ye one of the best wo hu ye bebre na no I say classroom ye see am primary for bisa no e na omu yiye na che say e wo say Ghana ye koyenim empempenso a
see akra say yakoyenim any ade
no na America no I wasn't talking about Ghana
okay pictures
yes the American say the whole world no ye tumi ayden akoyenim sisi awadane hostana and
baby something na me nim dey work I didn't know what you were talking about it na me just say a classroom
Jennifer na me no agreement say ye nyina be comport
of course yes but na me nim na me bisa say we be classroom
we be comport na wa ma ayden ma me nso
but Obaya thank you for the pictures why are they
okay and you know the na make can say wo hwe silos a wo hwe other countries o ma komanim esia me de me ka say e was say Ghana ye so ye den yesua na yetumi ya na ye ne yie say ye nye ne yie so dia na eche say bibia bia say ye keke dia je unnecessary credit ne de na ehun ye den ani mfaso
okay
oman yi de wo say ye target ne say ye farmers no omo san fifre ye adwumaden ma ye duane din e wo say ye nitumi kom minua na ye the cheap propaganda slogans the ye dede won nkofo asum na planting for food and jobs na den but who call grounds na bebre na complain me sure say mo ankasa mu station kra na bia mo interview one or two people bia o ma confirm ya kire mo say who call grounds na the farmers no o mani nje kire say ye the fertilizer no eco constituency no na say ye the call district ni mu a na won say MPP chairman no na ye de akwa kwhye ne nsa ye de kwhye ne nsa na ono aso ahwehwem ayi no nkrofo asa omo lai na omo de fertilizers na omo na duduo na no na omo de omo nya ho faso bia ye beti no na fertilizer no
na ye ton na ye subsidize pe
Iba ye peso kra de na free but nanado aban ba ye kra de omo ye omo subsidize na mu subsidy no eno ansam na making so omo kwa na omo line omo up omo nkrofo ya tete kra say most of the times no mutumi nya kwan den e di bi free oman yi mu smuggle if pe ko mom kwan no nya wi amai den obde mfaso na hye kotokom ne nyina ya ade a ye be sere se ye be ma yenu akoho aban ne be ma nenu akoho na ya hwe kwan a ye be faso akebe sanema se de be ya de omo bresa mo mani fifre ye adwumaden se Ghana for ye benya aduane edi sankrofo no omo nya ho benefit a ye nyina be de be koso aboan de bia ye ka ye say the cocoa farmer ne hu faso like faso a ye oman no edi manu pan anything so ukaya any se meso krade na ye ba wa woni bebia na prices of cocoa no na eda na yansa na ye be free abemu bebia ede koye ye triple no ede mom na ma cocoa for no so any GA ye started projects be cross a friend say yeah policy be am insurance policy be am because you realize say cocoa farmers most of the times before on be free aban mu no before on be wi a be on be bon kokra na omutumi nya adwuma ne ade no na omu ni hwe e wo ho om de be bom ho ban a be hwe omu akwakosi sebe omu ewo mu enti no ye start sade mi nim be bi akwakosi de meka ne say ade de say ya de pa ye to aso de ofu dua pa ne ye de piano enti eniama pa ye de gu akwan mu a ye de boy no aban enhwe na omu to aso na omu ma the common farmer no ehun entono na eduane muso na Ghana man ye ho nton.
Okay, yeah, the World Food Day. Let's come to our own. Which one first? Let's do our 2 ACN first. If we say na yes you assembly ni ho aban so ye clean up na BOG Bank of Ghana or ye clean up aden one samai omo adena emfa wo mo court enti sika na share na nti sisi aban lawyer penny de ne kwadu ne nsem nyina akọ a wo kire baabi a wo mo fom yesika wo mo fa nhye bank ni mu kura enu so wo mo di twa wo manum spedede ye nipa miensa wo mo ekogina court adaka mu enra court ama wo mo bill enti enen krata no bebre a report afi are we making progress ana dela.
Yo, well, I see, baby. Some way, no, as a matter of legality. And you know, me, I meet here. I don't have the capacity to see, say, and to know, say, no crack. Ne pay wire bonnet, and now on your bonnet. Say.
A honor the yasem.
I don't know yasem. And into me, sure, say,
Mako court, ya bonny querdu. Na fe ya money bill and so samfia fia hu ya
and to say na make na ye need that capacity no a court of competence jurisdiction and on me to me atre na de ye minya kakra ne say time na finance ministry almost share sa bank go egugu another mekano collapse you won sem no capital bank to be specific ma explanation be say an excuse be say sika de share mu recapitalization no di sika no enti no enu nti e no ye de gu bank no but asam ye de call court sa recapitalization issue no enimu.
Oh yeah, sure.
Yes.
Oh yeah, sure.
Meaning say enka ho.
Because and I read from the Ghanaian publisher. Yes, this morning. Now Ghanaian publisher, can say one of Kweduno NSA. The Attorney General Gloria Kufu presented the facts of the case to an Accra High Court, presided over by Justice Adekye Nsroma. She told the court that liquidity support amounting to 620 million handed by the BOG to revive Capital Bank was appropriated, that's 27 million cedis, and transferred to various companies owned by Mr. Essien.
Okay.
So almost support you.
Okay. And almost support you. Okay. And almost support you. And to say woman dear and na ne kwanso ano. Because na ye minya kakra say eban say na ebia sa asem we on the basis nti amode man excuse no. Man ye den man fine no amfa nka ho. Na de asem ba ko so a eye ni say wo say bank who collapse no because omo hwe bank no so no. Omo disika me fin say the right thing anka was ye ni say bank no ensi ho bank no enye operational na omo taye chire na omo disika no the bank should sue them. Na anka brano the loss no of the land na eden enye omo edi Na se woka say enkrofo na omo bank ne so no omo di security no wo say bank ne collapse bank no na the millions and thousands of people are omo nya mfaso because of sa bank no mfaso omo nya yin nyina ho chese ebe say ya na chese ya asefim kakra
na yesi omo di security na yegu na na se yesi bank ne ontumi nya adwuma onyina ne nanso ne tika sem nkoyie enti oyete ase awuo se oyete ase awuo dia ene ye nyama ne nwu ne hu se eni
sa ensem yi ebisi awo America ye hu se de Barack Obama ya handle no ebisi wo UK ye hu se de omo handle no se bank enye adwuma yi a me die me feel so omo anko omo ta eche na mo feel say for which reason into no bank need to me away omo na wo say mo take omo mo take
Adekye trust standard BS wo say bank be enko ya say ni emfaso ngu na
onim say yes say standards bi wo ho especially US UK mo say omo your standards are we are all looking up to. And you know, so my idea, now say at the end of the day, to turn around. I'm an abo economy. Now there's nothing wrong with Ghana copying and taking the same lead. What I say, and you know, say enkrofo mu fin say omo atomra. There was some yen say running your mudi as individuals. Now say as individuals, not bank no.
Exactly what is going on now.
Now my denti also mu collapse bank no. Mu collapse bank how many years in it? Now senya papa iko kasa ya say oh na finance minister no you interested in buying the bank no and not turning it down. And say muslim mu dia asam na court. Do we the common person would think say then I say we dey witch hunting.
Really?
Yes.
Witch hunting say adia enukra na omudi ka omu share sa cleaning up yase use clean up yase eno omu share ase wo ho it be 1 to 2 years eni na say bi afa no omu yo
na eba ne say
said you can court asem unim court asem o say omu nya omu evidence na omu bibia enti afa no omu nya omu nia mawie na omu ahoboa so a just because ore Asian kasa ayenti
unim me
memo nkoko
say enka at the time omu collapse bank no they had sufficient evidence no more evidence in jinaso enough enunti na epu so omu call ahead e collapse bank no okay. Na se komu ni evidence so omu tumi njina omu na so nka say o me collapse bank no and what kept them waiting for all these years and sana omu atwama ato esie na ba be kase wie say o finance minister ene ne nkrofo e interested in buying my bank and o kan specifically say senka ne bank no enjina ne nan so anka de nti na wo say finance minister ne nkrofo e den e interested in buying the bank because omu nim say omu betumi anya mfaso efim enu nti na omu be show interest no enu no echi na musemo di papa ya kokot Unim
enye coincidence.
Ebe de anye coincidence minia.
Okay.
Ebe ye den anye coincidence. Yet your mind we mu. Emma road contractor ba be kasa. Atre niema ekoso cut and crofo 25% and crofo gene ade. Emma the minister for roads aba bonti aba be threaten. Ama ne hu say contractor bia onim na obe na adwen say o kasa de etia mampani ne de. Ono road minister na oni nipa ne be delay. This is the kind of country I yetim. Me pa what ma say under the leadership of a president or touting on the rule of law there chese ni su there e bi mbada enti eya asefim mobo me de eya me mobo pa ni say the number of women ma omudi omusika akwa sa banks we mu na yanye due diligence na yesi ye collapse bank no anka bia ye betumi find other alternative means ye betumi dia ama bank na gina ne nanso na nkrofo esika ye adwuma sa nkrofo nyina o ma hwe omusika ye won nkrofo bebre wo ho a ye won nkrofo be minia up till now
GCB na or take over no omo a omusika wo no or sort omo out
one maybe say ene Bank of Ghana yes see onkrofo ehihim omo discount no ye be collapse Bank of Ghana is that what we are going to do? We can't do that. Ghana Commercial Bank say yes say and nkrofo bi wom omo di Ghana Commercial Bank sikanti no the only means ye be to me e dey solve the issue na ma oman ye tumi akonenim ene say ye be collapse Ghana Commercial Bank na we can't do that. That is not the way to go. And ye can say 420 financial institutions and a buy MPP a buying by omo egu no Me patch 420 financial institutions. Let's multiply. Say bia financial institution bia po say 10 people per employer. Yes saying. What you say? And we have meanwhile Abanye Bar on the back of promises say I'm going to create employment for you people. The youth will be fine.
Are the youth not fine?
Are the youth fine?
Are they not creating employment?
You are you would they be out here? And I mean, say because we are popular face into people tell you their problems. Is the youth of this country happy? No.
Oma napko. Oma planting for food and jobs. Oma youth in afforestation.
Youth in afforestation. The number of times oma picketing. Say almost crying the yenchiamo. Napko for. Say what pamu obi free in the bank. Ye 5,000 Ghana cedis, 4,000 Ghana cedis. Now we see Uncle Napco, Nakoman 700 Ghana cedis. Why you need an answer? Why in the bonnie?
Na opamono. Bank yasemi yentias your sister de la. Untimi nyina na so. Yes, son asia jiriga. Yes, son asia jiriga. And your Bank of Ghana say okay, say ni ye. We shall no alternative view or one Bank of Ghana bit me so a chain. So strategy we want.
Me say the echoes were UK no. UK 4 and collapse bank. US 4 and collapse bank. Countries are omu nim dia omu nim so omu person omu protect your omu mind. Esan say sika money is everything. And this will be lusu ni sika. Oh the obi ka 200 Ghana cedis. Wo Ghana high ne krana. Sister, nipa no ma unya somje. What you say? And this sika money is everything. And this a wo gem kekese o 420 banking institutions and financial institutions. Oh, because mun jina mo nansunti and ye collapse mun yina yen to me fast stringent measures being ba. Ebe to me I ensure say ye be protecting the person or the sika e ba be share bank no. E ya na ye refi ho. Se nipa no a bank ben na ye see the same day. Omo call registrar general. Ecofa forms. I register bank ni the same day. Etu ni din the same day. Omu ye no omu collapse say banks ni bi. E na omu din nyina 5 e kan bo mu e de ko shares a bank no. We mu nyina ye nsem ayatete. My sister. Enti me die meka say metumi appoint. In fact, I am setting within my heart. And a Ghana for bebre so ye setting say sa banking collapse. Yeah, Papa Finance Minister. Or no or one agenda.
Hey.
Or one agenda. Ah, the yes I do. And yes, sir. And count na ho yen hwe of almost 2 years. Ah, omo collapse Capital Bank and afiansa omo di omo court just because the man has come out to speak. And in any case, why is Otable's name not part of the people? Ye di omo akokot. Ade no nka ho. Ye nti ase because ye nim say oja on no di mutinti mapanti. Ade na onka ho. Is it that I was so much mu kakra chen say there be ye nyina yasomo I made I am so for penny nti no aye wo mu am to me kona sorry to me kana oh me so for I mean to me adabi we are talking so for some ye ka omanyi empuntu ene ne nkan ko so we say what is good for the goose must be good for the gander and since I will say enye witch hunting na papa ba bontin be kasa enti na wo ye ne sa and the message say yemfa omo me cheche mu de enti a
na won say say board the entire board in for omo count because ono ade na wo single on pay
because he is the chairman of the board. Enti me pese meti ase me pese meti ase na me nua woni me bi mesra ban ne say oh my god the promises are all the buy say or be create employment e the ama the teeming youth of this country oba ya we disappoint you omo no yes then we going forward ye pomo chow omo for mo personal interest and this say bia your family lineage interest and fan tonchen na ye hwe say ye betumi ayo man na mana ye yie na emmebunu no ebre
thank you
say ne memru ka so mo sorry agina omo na so man ye ntumi ntinem
me da say na hima me pacho wo suji meet do e na ye nko
oba ya me da say eya na there be am catch us communication there we hear reference aye root aya de onyina ho man nsusu ni onyina ho and I was quiet.
Anyway.
Major way.
I way and tiano. Unjije.
Why would you, Mammy?
Randy bread from mommy.
Mammy read the idea. Okay. I'm say me a route to Casano. Also on Tiasie say a friend say banks at Ghana you guno over 400 and something you 20 over 400 also 420 you guno on Tiasie. NDC as a political party are more opposition now. only becomes relevant when issues are a border on a friend say Ghana for about ye discuss ye Puma Sibre. So that time now they become PRs for certain things that are happening. That's the only time NDC becomes relevant to Ghana politics. That is the only time.
That's what they are in opposition.
I understand. No, they
constructive criticism.
I understand. But are they offering constructive criticism? Are they doing that?
No.
Please, I didn't come in.
Sweet Ruth.
I beg you.
Sweet Ruth. Medase.
Obaya utie. Dabi. Chiro two papers.
No pen.
Obaya utie. Me see NDC only become relevant when issues that say ba ye discussing. They see everything wrong with MPP government because we be anyom de. Or can say me to say when the team youth rise up, omo rise up akohin. Ehin na youth ni di America omo rise up ati ahwan. Excuse me. Ruth, I don't like that.
Patron. To me the
Obaya moderate the show. And yes, I phone team me. Mr.
To me the
social go so ntikroma na bia
ni the rubber bullet.
What are you talking about? We are not here to
just
do that.
Because they are demanding for their rights.
I don't like that. Me patron.
Let's all be
disciplined.
Then you know youth.
Let's all be disciplined. Me kwanu no waka youth ma me kwa
youth asem.
Me kwanu no waka youth waka ho.
I say why abewa.
What you say? Oba utie. Asama me no wo kan say.
Won say wo kasa no.
Man kasa.
Jennifer.
Me nim say ya utie nti ma carry. Me friendly interjection. I don't need it. At this very moment I don't need it. I don't need friendly interjection. Moderate the show.
Me akra me mpe. Mono
tie fonti asame be unim so man beka
mo ba ku gidigidi
ba me nkanse mo muntie anti don't come in I don't need it at this very moment. I don't need friendly interjection.
Can you do this for me?
Fantastic man nine so dey enko oba ya me to aso no can say o say youth ne so o mo kwa mu ni ba bi o mo ko enkwala e wo Ghana amrante ne maba e wo Ghana ha no ye buy unemployment rate more time baby shoot kokoduru ye and the Ghana phone call will be any other. Why now? Who can say creative
data ben now? Data ben now.
I'll give it to you, Pacho Baya.
Data never me.
I'm Pacho Meba. A human ni ho. A human my yantiasia baby. I would ethical row IMF. Emma NDC party. Rajon Dramani Mama no dear anymore. Lose credibility. It took Asantehine or 2-4 to go and speak on behalf of a friend say I buy NDC I buy and sana IMF who ya mobile class I mean scan crab I a day. We are no chedi and for Kobo. Then they have the audacity to sit or stand anywhere and discuss say Ghana ya my Juma why thing and rant anymore. But me see they only become relevant when issues, topical issues are here discussed about mine. Sometimes they become as friends say PRs. But me read the idea man or say Ghana America yanko American ko discuss me your money. Me read the idea say Ghana nkwana aya o maya yegu nkrofo nyuma MPP nkwa. There's a clear difference between MPP and NDC. When we come we create jobs for people to do. Ye chen nkrofo nyuma mu kana mo ba na mo ba begunu. That's the difference. Ma me nkyere wade Bank of friends say we US banks are collapse under friends say US. Mami from 2010 to 2018. Bank failures in the US peaked in 2010 according to FDIC data when 175 banks closed. Since then the number of failing financial institutions has been decreasing. 92 in 2011, 51 in 2012, 24 in 2013, 18 in 2014, 8 in 2015, 5 in 2016, 6 in 2017, and most notably 0 in 2018. America, we are talking about America. But so closed. I say closed.
And one a two and I say authorities and our regulatory body.
Fantastic. Me pacho say where you me fa website no man be na fa bra na wa kan enya me na America no aka say bia be try because computer no line enya me na me ye straight. Root kan wa no paado mami nkyere microphone ti aso ma kan fantia no pay pacho wuti banks are wo kasa collapse a chese Ghana nkwa na MPP de ye ba ye gu nyuma no which is not even that the case we are say otrama president dia edi odba ko majo mama ofie man nim fasa ma pacho
I
will give you special name for them. I will give you special name for them. No, because since me say I don't need the friendly interjection.
Addressing me. I'm
addressing you because I won't address me. Did I come in? You address me, I didn't come in. You address me, but I didn't come in. I don't need a friendly interjection. Man, yes, sir. Let your phone tear me. Make us only pay tea.
Jennifer.
Yes.
Ruth me paucho me sre
I
woni
don't know address me.
Eh.
Or threaten me.
Or
say mama na
rhetoric. Obeka be a rhetoric.
True to you can baby na me person me ho edin de we hia say bia na na wo eduma na o kan na say
that be who can say who attack his excellency or now. So when you do that who try to provide na my edin na me hwe me phone so who pa bo game kra bo game be bre won phone so
na ye say
anya so betimi no man dey go phone so bo game so anom ko school we don't know kra chat with your husband you'll be fine na me come as na tie phone because number of mom
waba shows na ha no be agro
I want ni agro mo game same kasa say oka sasem we ya mama mawade mama admins bank collapse started under his government. That was time I'll call parliament. Excuse me. Ghana Web, nyam na me
no, thank you.
Ghana Web, nyam na me create here, nyam na me MD, nyam na me CEO, please. On one call parliament, oko reading the Sona State of the Nation's address in 2015 say, was share friend say banks are Ghana ha with the report that he has from Bank of Ghana. Banks are Ghana ha bebre entimi nyina o monaso.
Okay.
Good. And possible cry. Let me read it for you. Na man kwan kokoti bibi boni. Former President John Mahama in 2016 openly admitted that the banking sector under his watch was crumbling due to poor supervision from the Bank of Ghana.
Okay.
In his State of the Nation's address, that is SONA, in 2016, he told members of parliament bluntly about how poor supervision was adversely affecting the survival of some microfinance companies. An excerpt from the address read, to Aswabai. Reading show. Unfortunately, lack of effective supervision has resulted in many cases in which microfinance companies licensed by Bank of Ghana has breached the rules and created pyramid schemes that has eventually come crashing down. Banks and issues are
schemes are all kind at the time. No, was it not just a moto ZKMs and those things? And I know can say a bit more Bank of Ghana register somewhere microfinance. No,
problems.
No, or more quack you may be an ancestor or more those schemes. No, not the problems. And was he referring to universal banks and our commercial banks assets?
Thank you very much. He might probably. As at that time, couldn't have mentioned those names our bonuses here. But now when you can one any every year. More time, no, mama, any this more time. They could have done something about it. Even that one, if they have the clue about how to solve these issues, Ababedu say, do you remember say campaign time? Na yera mamu baumia ejina simpie bia so ejina simpie so bia wo say your banks ni collapse o ya nhwe ya some years away anim no one higher banks be collapse o can several times more raise about 153 questions say you remisata the then vice president Radin Fane Kransie yi emra me ya no bepem sabiam no tie wantimi anya no matena hwa under your watch amana ba bedru say now menua ekasa no say at Western started so Okasentina, a witch hunting. This you see everything as witch hunting. And Kayaba and Bibia and your Papa Bianca, we should look on as you have been doing. MPP party is not like that to Oba, yeah. We always want the right thing to be done.
And the phobia kase.
Yes.
And collapse no and yet the best option to take. And think be a Bank of Ghana bet me and Fakwan for froso. Sana I'm sending a route to to baby Eddie. And what I na open case.
I'm the American say, Uti. That or case, Kaibeti me, aye, a juma nib or more down on a crown bia, yes, you or something like that, then we keep the bank there. Do you think Obayam Pacho, Bank of Ghana will rise up one day and say, and I say, oh dear, National Communications Authority. That's where media works under Manambwa. Good. So I'm sorry, you must say you're good. Radimana Masada. Say you're good despite media. You're too. It's been shut down, closed down just like that. They didn't sit down with the management team. They didn't sit down with the CEO of the company. They didn't do anything with the company. More honey, the tax. Your corporate banner anymore. Just to even discredit more company and more juma, BBR. BBR, I think we sit on the table, discuss it. Yeah, my timeline. One say Capital Bank as some year can. At least you're better on TV so no you know no interview or say and Anka Finance Minister crap as well Tommy Bank and a mama 20 and a net or Gumi Bank no you say. When you do some of these things, there be a make us say para to honey and fan proud take through. Just all the two form BB and papa and you trade. A bassa, you better win some. And you know, me pacho sa time ni nyina no na you should not bansa no obekasa no na the process of taking him to court or whatever no was on the line. Me pacho nyese bi oka bibi nti and ya de ko
time enu nti se empo na nhwehwemu akoso ye de na ebekwa ebre okasa ye ene kwansini aye ka se ye de ne court no ama te se de Jennifer ye ka no root sorry pacho ebi manya perception say okasa ye ni ntia enti ye shate no down ti
perception na wo ka no
enti shate me no
na perception no ba ya we don't have timing for any ade bia why ya feel say aban na say security agencies feel say e wrong.
All right.
Obetumi adi bone 300 years ye be che no na ka bia be free bia akwakoche obi o baby me pa cho utie ka bia free bia nkwakoche obi say time no was so wrong e bia okasa ye ntini ye chi di be wuram ntan okasa no ki enya no when aban ni hu say Bank of Ghana hu say wo support base na e from ti ma 320 million na fa so wasene as liquidity support wo wie ya ase ye de enem nyansa first accused, third accused. So me is getting 120 million. Edi akwako biye bank for finance me di akwako to baby. Edi ye adwuma na ho mfa so ba me di ababe. Then obaya you say enya wona wo kampacho. Nipa no bi say okasa ye nti ye ya ne witch hunting. Na ya tam ne de na akwako gina court. The question now is asam no kra wo court anka we don't discuss it. But abai
we don't discuss the substantive.
Exactly, but ntete ho ne de betimi aye. Enti ne ye te aye ekiremu. So etika ya so wasene na wo wie ya wonem nyansa abro so excuse me to say nyatem de be pacho ne yatam scan ani okay ne mamenyi ho ne mfrim na bia ye pese ye nso ye ho ba bi du ye nti yatam scan bi ade akwakọ bi adwuma foforo se be ya ye ho beto ye we didn't think about customers, we didn't think about where the money even came from no na issue aba abai no pese o ma bank ne ye yenti was me de wakogina court bra be yunsema no. Then you have PRs, you have PAs, you have spokespersons that will come out and say e witch hunting na abai no pese or handle MPP abai aba wo mo na collapse adwuma MPP collapse adwuma ban akoko sachira kra masade a enye ne fe enu we are not working to please the opposition party NDC. We are working to make Ghanaians Ghana for Timamufo, so Mumbetuomu, Ombenya Yedio, Omunkoswanti, and Ama MPP abai. The ye be a ye president under day in, day out. You can say, and a human who me who be a human any. Sabaya, look, many and this phobia. I was advising, I told them, Samasa, you have the qualification. If you think you will get opportunity to work anywhere, put your political affiliation down. Menka say your political party. Go and get yourself something to do. If not for anything, you can take care of yourself and your family. Forget about politics. Ayeye Ghana, her baby has given an opportunity. And now you better can why opportunity job ye be center online or transfer. Me free now for friends evidence sake. I went there. I saw people line up. My transfer Friday. You know just could be better have a church mo. Na dia wutimi nya online or buy out to buy am just to create something for you. Me wa kwala bia santo abakwa me. Or your serial tester. Wonim so yam pabo Ghana made in pabo ye bi. Yetimi shadi ko dwa so e di dwan ni ade. Wonim so akwala no sa ko university. Without support or one who kakra. Ne nyina your form of another source of employment. Ya create say this is a job opportunity. Bra nyuma ni bu ho. Wo pese okoye adwuma wo ya bra be kire adwuma kra wa ho de betimi aye. In all this no akra ya kan pegati for wo boss wa. Na this for bibi ya yo popo bibi aka ni pa kire say free SHS aba wo kan mo so mo ntiase ene egu banks ene ye ka free SHS whether you like it or not, whether you like it or yes, free SHS has come to stay. And I can oba me de ba no si wa hampa cho
bank mu no wati
me kan ba besim ni nyina kan wo binti ya amanyosem pa cho ye kan ye wi a ye se me de ba no si kura na topic foforo so ye se ena mo ye ena mo de double track aba I can assure you say beduru next year nkwala no kwa will not go to school and camp to say the double track because who ko kese na ya mom school ya mom classrooms ni bia kan ho de omo ja no ho mo anwie nyankopɔ adom ko education minister ye toa so amanyuma ama schools na nkwala na nya ho to na omo kwa omo akɔtena makosua time no so they come home and this is the hard time, this is time for them to accept the MPP.
Yenshe posi penin hihye ya wode ama posi foi said ye be ya
I'm say o say nko ka say wi
enka opese o rebate won
oh kitwa e bi enye be bi asa
ono so very bate g 2 minutes
ne de apon o wi am rebate o ba me nkasa me director of communications so I won't talk
me da say Ruth
yo me da say minia na Jennifer akasa na em say or kanya the kofa US the number of banks are a collapse. Now all can no say folded up na me person who say folded up no and he say aban e korasha dae na adwen say sa bank we me interested maba wan to ama me enti me pe kwan bia fa so ai dey agi bank na efu nsem egu no eno no any folded up no enye pe they also oti ase no
aban ben
na sa aban we menua sa
aban ben na koka sem ye
I'm asama
papa na oka na sem ne se sa bre no kramponi ento waba
me ba cho
enti
finance minister de eney oye finance minister oye ye papa Nana-Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo ne wo fa ase asem na making
it is never true
Jennifer
me pa cho ono na asem na me ye de
ya ne de
ono na asem na making na wonim you say omo bebu obi o me ma but me kai later na wonim me be ya papa Nana-Addo ne na ban o ma ya enti ne ni mo se de omote na radio stations e wo man we mu hwebuka takwan o mo fa so egugu radio stations ene ya mami oslohusu ababonti ababe kan say mebre and they are still in the process of accepting some of their requests and I can promise you say I request no more accept and ya their radio XYZ be kan ho da and ya their radio go be kan ho da
so ho na ko sa oni ma we no enya ne sa
esan say sa radio stations where they will come into be esan say sa radio stations we
sister Jennifer here bank di okotisi FSHS na bisa say na etu say awon so aba radio mo
the me kan akwakosi ne say Nana-Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo ye president
wo ye na wo anka koma be tie si
be jai na mi so bi ti o mo game me dem bi obi di nkomo kora we are no so abo game na makama
we are measure ni pa oni di nkomo no.
Can you imagine?
And say na make no me say your president Nana-Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo ene na ban we ene ma omo bai na nanse na me kan a on pese me kan students law students omanka so omo wo gidie wo omo so omo pass na wo se your opportunity e ko Ghana Law School e dey na bai nimpa over almost 2,000 people nimpa 120 pen on fire ena enkrofo yi enya adaje akwa gina kwa mu so we are picketing just to express ourselves right
for exams
right minia enya possible say nipa 2,000 ada on average you strike na who person ka say Ghana for your bonsa enya possible what man say Ghana phone to me bonsa enti no kan fan say bia kan nipa 2,000 kwa bia nipa 400 bi
I'm surprised
this is conscionable what man say this is a matter of idea I was who say enya possible say nipa 2,000 e be kwa kwotena say actual exams na nipa 120 na free SHS sometime we your more year kra me pa me tell me so almost 2,000 what man say say free SHS sometime your more year kra we are sure say no kra no so omukotena se so omukwa yiwasia enipa dodo say na ebe feli enya possible
sister
what man say enya possible and say they make can say ade sisi ade no wada ni co-host na dey ansem so
sadi we ye no mu ntie ni power
sister
enya no ha
obetie mafuto dia yitantan ni fi ho ai
me person me hu say oye co-host ana na nti o ma me directives here
me ntie no odi
me da say they make can say free SHS free and make me remodel free SHS free SHS ya I to say ye kwan so aye basabasa ya for almost 4 years omo ba ye omo ntumi nye hwe mfa hwe wo na mo se me ankasa me kwan baby amete wo free ni boy town e di ko si fish pond kwan ni so na free SHS na kwa akoye eno kran me say sankwala no kotena etro was ya feli say what man say and the people the students were expressing their rights man ka say omo de tuo nam man ka say omo fa sekan de anante na yakwa fa military police for e di hot water e hwio go omo so oba be say you to the rubber bullets apply ne ha boni be no maye the me kan kwa say sir aban we de ye ni mu omo track record no e wo ho enti there can be certain say ade we ye omo de papa ya kokoti de enye no kwa because the man came out and spoke against him.
About 2 minutes, me 2 minutes. Said your man na.
Free SHS as no
uti obaya.
Mempeni amoye nenu. Mempadi amoye ukra. Memu bia interject obia, no bia mfro bia wonkomo yin.
Why on your mother bebre or wait me on radio station. I UTV. There's so many things you don't do. That mean me some jamming. Your money bebre or and yan baby, a higher no baby, a higher yan 2 bar rules or no diso. About Uti or the mass rules. Uti. Situation. Asama make can say or say friends say lawyers no copy
maintenance say that then what any co-host maintenance
I don't want me 2 minutes
directly
2 minutes let me rebut what you said. But you're nicking that
Excuse me. I'm expressing my I don't like what she's doing. Trust me.
What have I done?
No.
What have I done?
To us.
What have I done?
Hey, Prince.
To us.
Remember you can't me say.
Okay, law school students are called exams.
Okay.
When the marking scheme, no, sabi and your route and the come law school for more market. While market script to be. Of course, what happened that day, no? Mimi Jennifer, who call me Facebook page is there. We all condemn the organ of Obia condemn. Nobody took sides. But say NDC, you know. I am telling you, majority.
Police force say omudie.
Oh, no, say no, dear Nijano. So one okay, Chilemukum, Fansan me for Bakuchilemukum coin. Fansan me for Bakuchilemukum. Obia no this Sabu Chilemukum coin. Here, Obaya. Obia condemn say ye. But Ayana, dear ma and community. Say NDC becomes PR for certain things. We are not saying they shouldn't talk about Niamabi or Ghana. Say exams and market. We all sympathize and empathize with the prior. But who can't? Now because the communication one call archives man your reference and come on in your day. 2015 September. Yeah, let my vote count demonstration. Me a member of a convener of let my vote count. Mr. said that who woman name your papa. Sister Tiani ya boy your chrome her papa. What you saw over my day, media man. Your boy, your papa, Obaya, to the extent that fire them, shoot them, nipo, justice at Yakuma. What we do now, what you Obaya, and until I didn't come on, the Benny best make up a so. Say, justice at Yakuma, and until I have 2 years, what you were free Moko Juni. Let my vote count, nipa, mu prepare, move 5, and I'm come cretchy. Meno Kasa says here, Nipa 5. But the question is that, is it the best? That is why we see a can't want some, we see a can't want some. So the NDC shouldn't use it as yastic. No. It is not going to happen again. I think the new IGP that has been
I think we have been hearing that.
Now,
Obaya ain't happen again.
It will not happen under his watch. It is a route bet. It is a route bet now. No, can't and some are only more. Sabi me wa hobet me be some more clarification about nyama bi a wunim. Utie. Now but now be can sem bi wakwati asi say wo kan asam. Of course, we make us own friend the movie. But not on a TV show like this. Say, free SHS time when your family is benefiting from it. When members, your friends, families are benefiting from free SHS. Root aside say any time, said you all can say free SHS time. She should sit here and say, Nibusu and Nibian who benefiting. Adia ya basa obaya. Fantastic. Into the money your time. Money your time because money your time because I don't need this in friendly interjection route.
Maybe so. This is not friendly. Maybe so.
Uti obaya. Say uti better because free SHS air time. I don't like that. Me pesa.
Say bia nkrofo be beside so.
I never open say. Don't do that.
Me pesa me tia.
We your power ni muti afama. Uti men nya no sa ha nya no sa. Obaya uti. Free SHS aba me hu so opon aba. We busuani, be busuani, and quality in other trust. Obaya better education for themselves. Do you even have the IQ? Obaya
no quality. Now I schools now we CSC one na mo buy e mo dia to rem no. Ono oba obeso mukina. E di nipa kwakogu am obaya kwatra.
Obaya utie. Mami ready ade ma umpa.
Enu nti no, enti se muntumi enya. Esa se matwe ba.
Madam ase mo ma me nkasa bi wa. Oh, mo pese ka Ghana.
O se my airport. Mami adwuma pa don na mani mahama ya hom ka papa say. Everybody Yankopon.
And in the Ghana some je financial ma ko fa oba. The distracted program
number 4.
Catch say free ko mo nwane biem. Some je
the whole world.
The whole world.
Me patcho. Bele no
paper. West Africa.
Africa here
number 4.
Oba mami
and the one kind.
Oba mami ready ade ncho. Me say me ready ade just a second actually. Me try ade oba ya utie. Hwa ade.
But watch it.
Anything free is not quality. Some will could to a black one. Minister. 14th July 2012. Ghana doesn't need free SHS now. I said you can on 18th February. I don't know cast ask them you. You don't do this. This is a TV station. Don't do that. Papa, you're so for penny. Free SHS can only be achieved in 20 years. Leocran on 21st November. Nanadu can never implement free SHS. There's nothing free. He's deceiving Ghanaians.
Pretty ladies.
Talk tax.
Pretty ladies.
Increment. It's unfortunate. Minimum because he was supposed to meet Mama Kofa just to come and make noise. Discredit them. Let him come. It is not the best. We are trying to. Now please come to me. What are you doing this? For information, radio SYZ, radio station. We are all to frag. Obia stop on what you so. You can't see answer for the tier. Then you do this. I'm sorry anyway. But yes, sir. I've apologized. But it's not the best. You can't see what start to come at tier 40. Kevin say upon. Why your mouth me that say Ruth Della Sedo, Deputy National Youth Organizer NDC, Jennifer Quinn, Deputy National Communications Director NPP, National Officers. Men kindly, and upon my review. Best in the world. Mate, and upon questions upon the church, make and so you page 16. Okay, Magbo collection for Pig Farm or Baby Pele Plaza. Made down once say, ya mama, me shoes, Papa Eshe, intimate can for Magbo amount. Also, Kona Kojim Pabwa Papa She. Fair one 0244 211 491. Now, me kaftan kama. A creative line and a pam ye. Creative line pam makaftan or pam meman so dear for all occasions. Creative line bepa maukama. North Kaneshi Swan Lake Junction. Only Obilex restaurant no AD and share. Frewanum 0244 695057 and a 0244 14945. Now say upesa fix on sour lash and no brow and now call for spa treatment and a massager. Now I call studio fix Ewo Jolo E Plaza 2 Abron sign more 02029665553 and 02438467719. Me da omo se papa. Na sister ya will share a green flowery dress to me so benkum so direct no. Sister Ruth Della Sedo or Deputy National Youth Organizer NDC and a pink lady Jennifer Quinn, Deputy National Communications Director NPP. Now and the Director of Photography DOP, the man in charge of the cameras Edward Kwame Bedia Kontina Wuda Kwame Yemawa Awuda Pa see aka the cat man entiene brain cat meat na yemfa eni workple na enye kama who say we shall see obey dede enti Jennifer shall see Jennifer airport na ye kama odeji 2 minutes ni enko airport na ye kama
na fa summarize what oba
ese de ani de ese no na ye de amano
yeah
utie
metie
airport na ye kama obi anka se nye kama ye de nye nkrofo ati o man mu a bompa ese o man ne mo but ye ti krom ha utie ye ti krom ha me ready ade I don't just
stop me ma on so 2 minutes na ye
ye ti krom ha ene ye se ye airport amaye say ye wa ya na second interchange ye ko ye ya ye ko fa comedians ba ya ke ya Dubai circle Dubai ni ayi kura na nso yiri fa nipa nyina wo the same thing happen at the airport. I am not saying yet because I want am fa tu kwan uti mi nwaba by airport cost idea say 275 million Ghana cedis and the airport the same scan na Ethiopia building new airport new airport almost 64 million ba ko bia 64 million for the 3 and almost see here we airport na mo de be credit di ama mo ho no amu fi say no na mo de ba be ye no nyam so mo ba ye nyina no na mo aye no e yiri fa nipa ma na ye ma nyina aseye it took MPP aban his excellency na Danko Akufo-Addo and about 70% mo ye wie no ye kokoto aso e de new management aba and airport agina de as who took off ho ye radon money mama wo kwa for who say yes ye buy me nkro for contractors amede mo madofo amede mo no wo ma anya adwuma ni ye adwuma si no mo ye
na me busa Ruth no FFSHS on say your mama say obo betineti na me say the
obegunu kra tinetine be
the ordinary so adinu ba ntimi anye na be onu so onu a oye sa T3 na ye de je fans no wanye ni yie wanwie na wo a wo de obeye completion na wo don sabe kan kan ye no wo na oje fans
asam na me kan no want I think you didn't hear me from the beginning. I said say we all credit ourselves with the T3 na wo because the na me before two kwan. But what must say? And the domestic one, I want to tell you free Amsterdam crowd will bow. Now, yes, because they are bad, former. I'm telling you, so pamper, once we're peeing, what's the call? And the first why it's a sign. Never to move room. Exactly. A quack could do baby. You are immigration. Now, a son. Yeah. And a T3 is so fair. Okay. Can't say. Obi je credit jamu obi da by the ye man ye fen na ye don't want dance die ni abaso body aba no send ye say and say oba that's what I'm talking about. I am not saying say ye radon money mama starting ye no wa nye ni ye say wo mo ba ye be ye ya airport no esuo yiri for so wada na ka tuka ke suo yiri fa wo die ke suo yiri fa no ne ma nyina ma ka wo ba bia begina aba bia body new management aba wabahwese de niyama betutu yie about 70% adwuma aka ye no yaba abaye. I am not saying say we started it. We NPP we are not like that. We didn't start it. Somebody started it. Mudi ya credit to ya
somebody completed it or somebody started it.
Completion ya kasa ade completion dey. So what's the day we na team say ya to na fa yiri na dwugu. Na me basa be ni ya ma wa me kasa me credit or you started it. But na we ya na say sa na ya kan wasa me say me see we na me team. Na say ya na papa no. Disaster na ba ya na disaster for so be save you. Na the American say the Obama save you from disaster no. What you can't take the shine and the credit away from him too. So he took one dance and go baby. Even president.
We have this, we have that, we have
fantastic.
That. Is it not beautiful?
Fantastic, my dear. And nothing now, utie. And nothing so started the whole world now. So bois, or papers near the whole world, the Africa. You be credit to family. You took one for so at the airport. No, I am yada. But yeah, what said it yes, and I am ya. Papa Woma Kuma, I am Yabaka say, you ran Kufa the ball back to us. I'm airport. Yen na ba bedru say. Eti oba ya ye kan nyina kwakuti say. Say na ba so body aba. Yen fe ni die ni mo nyam say. Enfama de ono so babo ama ni wi ye fe na nyansa woni e course wo we nya free SHS fon o kan ye ya no bia so be kasa se ye be
for the next 3 minutes
o ti ma no to me boge
yes me da se bebre woni asem ya abede em say asem papa ye anope metie wo wankasa no you sounded very excited I was when ya je say enam sa ade we so no nya enuonyam hye na nya enuonyam hye aye sronkwa efe say ye nyina enim say eba no say ye kan airport asemo
scared
bia ba say ye kan airport asemo
bia
say eba no say ye kan say airport asemo ye nyina enim say it is the first point of entry when it comes to every country and you say ahoho efiomu kro eba wo man mu a ye ba airport asade ye tie no it tells so much about the country and you know say bia so man ni mu kra no enhye da anko yie sa no kra na esan say airport na efenti no onipa ni wurem a onim say on my ben na be any oban there there's so much for me today to discover and you know eyade a eboy ye tourism industry
eboy ye airport bedura on my ni mu efe
eboy ye foreign exchange
o my got to Ukraine
they decide they choose Ghana as their entry okay those times me can say papa Rollins and no almost say Ghana is the gateway to Africa Ghana is the gateway to Africa this is the actual realization me patron media they make kind say Rollins time no almost Ghana is the gateway to Africa now this is the actual realization of what the gateway to Africa means and you know make say we there em say your papa John Dramani Mahama ninsanu adwuma ekire enema efe de onimye or vision or visionary leader onim say in the next generations no o see etumi ya papa de edisi wo say de be ya oman no ebenya bibi When baby, ye no fi wa Kumasi airport. So when you say ye expanding ye come and ye kase ye to me at the planes every Accra at the Kumasi airport even Anajo.
Light na mo go to form no.
What you say?
Mo spend 27 million no.
Yeah, come and Nana do na
what the light go to form
up to now. Afiansa omubie. Say meanwhile John Dramani Mahama aya to
Nana has not credited himself when light dey go to form.
Now unim there yesterday. Unim say when nyina na MPP for every nimpa baako 7 and the transportation industry alone nimpa baako 7 ede. John Dramani Mahama the nimpa man mienu pe, and this is a credit and a plus to women. And I am proud to say me your ba me Ghana near me your ba. Esan say ye mami jifa and ye mami
and no boy what you can you no
I don't care and ye ma kesi ya Ghana for bi ni ya den oni pa ye won fom so enu nti e na e ba
so we are Ghana
skadi Mahama di na nsi ho e ma sa sika no ye we recoup date ye gene back enu nti me pese me ka che o say
mo je de ko hin
John Dramani Mahama
mo je skadi de ko hin
die nenie no kra nenie bia ya branch ya nenie bia our vision na o yes so na o ye ama the next generation and the next generation so you are very proud of it.
I wish you guys well in
John
opposition.
Dramani Mahama another opportunity to come and lead this country. Make catch us say you be ye be bro so and now one say Jennifer Queen and one say wa admit say ade dey fair. Want to me criticize.
Say no want to
criticize. Want to me